Okay, more peculiar stuff with this particular unit or this particular software. You see, the blue trace is the way I came here, and then I just put in the address 1128 Clelia Court and asked for it to route me there. The way it calculated the route first was to go through here, over up this way, and then come back instead of going straight. So I pulled over to take a picture of this because this seems very odd for a direct route. And then while I was pulling over, it appears to have recalculated it, but now first part it goes the right way and then it shoots off way out here for some reason. Why? It is unclear. Let's try. Let me show you the settings. I haven't changed the settings. Routing, activities, motorcycle driving, direct routing. I don't know what that means. Advanced setup, calculation method, minimize time, avoidance setup. Oh, that's probably why.